it is time, well, about that time. Luna gets some care. She is super dry, but don't mind that. The scalp is oiled. It's just the hair is dry. It's time to clean it and the whole shebang. It is my wash day because the last time I washed my hair was maybe Mother's Day. Yeah, it was Mother's Day. Now I'm going to get Luna all taken care of, and she hit a special surprise today, which is a tea rinse. I'll make another video on that. Kind of don't have a lot of time today, so I'm gonna get started on that. I want to show you guys how to properly do rope twists and make them all beautiful, you know. So yeah, today's gonna be my first time making them bigger because my hair is much longer than what it was before. So yes, because I believe the last time I did rope twist was June of last year. Oh wow, yeah, June of last year. And it's time now to do them again. I wore them for a wedding. Yeah, a wedding last year. Yes, so I wore them for a wedding last year. So this year I'm gonna do rope twist. Usually I wear them for a special event. I don't normally do them because they take a lot of time. But my sister, when it comes to her, I'll do anything for her. So, and one thing about us, we don't just go looking crazy anyway. So I'm just gonna do something super cute. And she has locks too also.
What?
She has locks also. And now that Luna is all fresh and clean and she got a little color back and all that stuff, I am going to begin my tea rinse. And this is it right here. I put it inside of a bowl because I'm gonna let my hair sit in it and put a bag on it. But the way that I made the tea, I used several different, what do you call them, herbs. I use lavender, if you could see that. There's lavender. I use marigold. Oh, jasmine, my absolute favorite. Oh shoot. Then there's chamomile. I love chamomile as well, but I'm a jasmine fan big time. And I use rose petals. Usually I use the rose buds, but I use rose petals today. So they're all just dried things that I use, and a little bit of meadow sweet, but I ran out of it, so I can't show that because it's gone. I forgot all about it, but meadow sweet smells amazing. So this is like a treat for Luna. I just kind of let my hair sit in it, let her soak up whatever she needs out of it, and then I don't have to do a rinse afterwards. I just kind of like let my hair drip dry with that stuff on. Tea rinse is now done. I am now about to spray my hair down with aloe vera and water, getting my hair prepared to be retwisted, and I'm going to rope twist as I go. This tea smells so good on my hair. As you all very much know by now, oh no, that's not gonna work. This one. I'm going to section my hair into fours. Woo. And then get this show on the road. Check this out. All the back's done. Only thing left is one little section. So everything's all in their place. Hopefully I didn't leave any single ones out. I have a habit of doing that. To start the rope twist, here's just a small little example. I just simply undo all the swigglies, but I go in the same direction that I retwisted in as I go down the strands of my lock just so that I can keep a uniform twist so that one part, like the top part, won't be fat and the bottom part skinny. Instead, it's all uniform because it's all tightened as I'm rolling the locks through my fingers. The whole motion is just a roll and then twist, roll, twist. That's the only thing I do is just roll, twist. Now it's important to remember with the roll and twist method that I do, I don't go all the way tight at the roots because I don't want my scalp to bulge, and that's just a big no-no because you can cause thinning. 9 hours later, and we are all done. Every part of my head is twisted. Thankfully, no single strands are hanging out or single locks just hanging out, but it's all finished, complete, and that's it. That is how I rope twist my hair, and it's all moisturized. I thank you so much for watching.